Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss one numerical which is related to motion under gravity. When any body is falling from a particular height and if the body is going from base to a particular height, so this is related to motion under gravity. So let's start the numerical which is related to concepts of motion under gravity. And here the numerical is a stone is dropped into a well and sound of splash heard after 5. And the numerical is a stone is dropped into a well and sound of splash heard after 5 seconds. Assuming velocity of sound to be 350 meter per second, make calculation for the depth of well. Here we are considering this term is related to motion under gravity. Here we are considering a stone which is dropped into a well and a sound of splash heard after 5 seconds. So when the stone is reaching the surface of the well or surface of the water, so at that particular time the sound is coming for that particular splash when the stone touch the surface, and that sound is coming back to the initial point, and the total time taken by the sound which is coming from the surface of the water towards the maximum height, so it is represented as 5 seconds. So here this total time we are considering as 5 seconds. Here we are considering the velocity of sound is 350 meter per second. So here we have to find out the depth of the well. So let's start the solution for this. So here we are considering this point A is representing the original point of stone, and this stone is dropping from this particular point A towards the surface of the water in the well. So the time taken by the stone to travel this particular distance h in time t1, and again the sound of splash is coming when the stone is touching this particular water surface, so the sound of splash will appear, and here this sound of splash will coming back towards point A. So this particular time we are considering as t2. So here this t1 and t2 or t1 plus t2 is given by 5 seconds. So let's start the solution for this particular condition to find out the exact depth of the well. So here we are considering T1 as the time taken by the stone to strike the surface of the water when the stone is going downward, and the time taken by the sound to reach from surface of water to the top of the well. So this we are considering opposite to the downward movement, means the sound is going from bottom to upward or the top of the well. So this time we are considering as T2. So the T1 plus T2 is given. So T1 plus T2 is given, it is equals to 5 seconds. So this equation we are considering as equation 1. Now first condition is when the stone is dropped from the top of the well to the surface of the water. So this particular movement is considered as the downward movement, and if we apply the equation which is related to motion under gravity and the equation if we apply which is related to height or the total distance traveled by the object or the body, so the equation is h equals to ut plus half of gt square, and here h we are considering as the height or the total distance traveled by the stone from top to surface of the water. So this h will be as it is here, and as we know, when any object or any particle is going to travel from particular height towards the base, or this particular movement we are considering as the downward movement, so in that particular condition the velocity u or the initial velocity is always 0. So in this particular condition for the downward movement the value of u will be 0. So this particular term will be 0. and time taken we are considering as T1 because the stone is dropping from the top of the surface of the well to the water surface. So this time taken we are considering as T1. So this total term will be 0 plus 1 by 2 into 9.81 into T1 square. Here we are considering the g or the gravitational acceleration in place of acceleration. So its value is 9.81 meter per second square. So we will put this particular value and we will find out the equation for h. So h will be 4.905 T1 square, and this equation we are considering as equation 2. Now the second condition is the time taken by the sound to reach from surface of the water to the top of the well. So in this particular condition, the sound is traveling the distance from bottom to upward surface, from the surface of the water to the top of the well. It means the motion is upward motion. So here, if we are considering time taken by the sound to reach from surface of water to the top of the well as T2, so this particular T2 will be depth of well divided by speed of sound. So here we know the depth of well is h and speed of sound is given, it is 350. So we will put this value 350 meter per second. So this time T2 will be h divided by 350. And we have the value of h from this particular equation 2. You can see here this equation. So here we will put the value of h, and this equation we are considering as equation 3. And here we have one more equation, T1 plus T2 equals to 5. So here we have the value of T2 in terms of T1. So we can put this T2 value here in this equation. This was our equation 1. So in this equation, if we put the value of T2 from this equation 3, that is 4.905 T1 square by 350. So our final equation will be, so this is our equation, and this equation we can solve and we can find out the value of T1 with the help of mathematical equations. So the solution of this particular equation will be, it will be minus 350 plus minus under root of 350 square plus 4 into 4.905 into 1750 divided by 2 into 4.905. And here we will solve this equation and we will use the plus term only. So the final value of T1 we are getting here 4.68 second. So here we have the value of T1. Now we can find out the value of h with the help of previous equation. This equation we have h equals to 4.905 T1 square. So we will put the value of T1 here and we can find out the value of depth of well. So the final value of h is 4.905 into 4.68 square, that is 107.64 meters. So this is our solution for the depth of well. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.